Hey guys, Steve Weinberg. Just want to give an update on the desk building operation. Knocked out about 3 more this weekend, mainly yesterday, a little bit of work today. And I just want to also say thanks to Home Depot. Earlier this week, I reached out to some executives at corporate lobbying for some support with lumber and materials and accessories and what have you, so I could really get this thing scaled up. And sure enough, they came up with a really nice contribution this week. Went out and did some local shopping. And I cut up a bunch of lumber that's in the shop, and this week I'm just going to, kind of like an assembly line, just start assembling and manufacturing a whole bunch more of these desks and start getting to some of the local kids here in this neighborhood. Would have had a lot more done today, but my able assistant Jack decided to take a personal day, and that consists of hitting the pool. He basically is swimming all day, chasing tennis balls in the pool. I'll show you what that looks like at the risk of some bad camera work. Jack, come here, bud. Come here. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. So this is what he's been doing all day. Just, he loves the water, like any lab does. We send all his mail to the pool. But seriously, I'm going to put out some videos periodically as I ramp up production. I expect to get a half a dozen more this week. And I'll keep you guys posted. Once again, Eric Schelling at Home Depot, thanks very much for the support and the sponsorship. Appreciate it, and we'll see you soon. Take care.